I did it. I saved the Earth from the Cybermen once again. But to what cost? Yeah! It's the end for me. My final end. Yeah. Will I even manage to turn back before? I'm still human. They can't stop me. They can't. I will not end it like this. I will not. I refuse. I refuse. My heart. My left heart. It stopped. Oh God, how do humans do this with only one heart? No, I can't let this beast. I am old now. So old. But I have so much more to live for. My dead heart is this the end for us? The end of the Time Lord? Is this the final end of me? No. I will... What bloody hell? What the fuck? Tom Baker? Jump between? What the fuck is going on? Peter Davidson? Since when did I get rabbits in here? Matt Smith? What the bloody hell is going on? Dave Tennant? What the... Peter Capaldi? What the fuck? Why are there fuck bloody rabbits everywhere? I remember. Oh my god, just regenerated! I forgot that. Mirror. I need a mirror. I need a mirror. How do I look like? I wonder how handsome I am this time. Let's see. I think I should have a mirror here somewhere. God damn it, it's been such a... Why are there so many fucking rabbits everywhere? Patrick Troughton. Sylvester McCoy? Who named these rabbits? Tom Baker. What are you baking? Pumpkin pie? What the fuck is this? William Hartnell. You look like an old rabbit. Damn. Why are there so many fucking rabbits everywhere? Colin Baker. Where is this stupid mirror? Let's see if I can find it somewhere. Oh, and yeah, of course it's over here. Finally! Oh my god! After 950 years, I'm finally ginger. Holy fuck, that took forever. Ha! Nice. I'm ginger. I look young. Finally. Oh my god. Ha! Well, time for us to go on an adventure. What the f is fucking thing with me? Ed Davidson, you stupid rabbit, get down from there. Why do I have all this stupid rabbit? Bring some food with me. What the? A sonic screwdriver? But it's an upgraded one. An upgraded screwdriver. Huh. Christopher Eccleston. What kind of name is that? Oh, bloody hell. Sylvester McCoy. Again. David Tennant. Nipple. Huh. I'll just put these here on my chest, I guess. John Hurt. I hurt, mate. Matt Smith, Sylvester McCoy. Huh. Well, time for us to launch then, I guess. Zoom up here. I guess. Oh god, it's the middle of the night. And go. Wow. Where am I? Where's the fucking beak of the water? Why is the water red? Is that Dalek? The bloody Daleks. Can't just like stay like that. You Cyberman! This bloody Cyberman shall not end me again. I promise you this much. What the? There's more of them punching through the door for some reason. They've gone to you fucking bloody bastards. Why is everything so red? Where the fuck am I? There's a few huts in the middle of nowhere, and Dalek! They try to exterminate me. Oh, gotta eat. What is going on? I don't even know. Daleks, Cybermen. What the fuck is just? Why? Why is everything red? Apparently, I'm not the only thing that's went ginger. What the fuck is that? Oh shit! I have this one. What the hell is that creature? Run, run. What the bloody hell's going on? Since one kid might kill and attack things with my sonic screwdriver. That's never worked before. Is it because it's the upgrade version? The upgrade version does that? The silence. Oh god. Dalek. No! You shall not exterminate me, you motherfucking bastard. Gotcha. Stupid robot-like creatures are nothing for me. Where the I'm definitely not on Earth, that's for sure. What? Am I on Scarrow, maybe? It seems oddly familiar, but I don't know why it does, though. Oh my god, silence! What the fuck are they doing here? Oh shit! Shit! Dalek! Bloody bastard! Bloody bastard! Bloody bastard! Bloody bastard! Ah! Gah! I do not want to regenerate again. Oh my god, silence! Oh fucking hell, what is that? What the hell is going on? Did I become a whiny bastard after I regenerated? What is up with me? Jesus Crimson Christmas. Oh my god, it's a silence. Must not look away because then I'll forget everything about them. I can't look away, but oh god, there's so many things here. I have to look behind me. But if there's a... Oh god. They're on fire. Since when did Cybermen get on fire? This is so... It is so weird. It's strange. What the fuck is up with my dialect? It's just going everywhere. From Scottish to Welsh to British to... I don't even know. Die, you bloody bastard. Why there's so many... Just why? In general, why? And is this blood? No. Can't be. Just red. But everything else is red. Fuck am I? Oh god. These rabbits. Do you have a name? So you know Peter Capaldi or David Eccleston or whatever it was. What's up with those rabbits and the names they have back there? And what's up with everything? I'm so confused. But where I am, what I should do, and just bloody hell, what's going on? Well, I guess I just have to start from the beginning, I guess. Oh, it's raining. It's bloody fantastic. Oh god. What should I do? I mean, just what am I supposed to do? I don't know. There's rabbits with weird names. There are Daleks. There's Cybermen. What? The shit is going on? At least the silence is there. Or maybe it is. I can't know. What if they're here and I just look away from them all the time? Maybe there's some Tarians. And where am I? Is this like a new Earth or something? A new Earth? Or it kind of... No, it's not Gallifrey. Stupid. Gallifrey died in the war. The whole planet died. I need to find out what's going on. I can't just let it be like this. I can't. I need to find out. And to return to the TARDIS and find out what's going on.